बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़्दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। Rabbi zidni ilma. Students, today we will learn more about sets. First we have subsets. The definition of subsets is if each element of a set A is also an element of another set B, then the set A is called a subset of the set B. For example, here we have in A set 4 members 1, 2, 3 and 4, and in B set we also have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the first one set will be the subset of other set. A will be the subset of B. Okay students? Now proper subset. If every element of A is also an element of B and at least one element of B is not an element of A, then A is proper subset of B. Here you can see in A we have 4 elements and in B we have 3 elements. So B is a proper subset of A. Now students, what is the difference in between proper subset and subsets? In subsets we can have equal numbers of sets in both, equal number of elements in both sets, and for proper we need one more element for the other set. If we have here one more element 5, then A will be the proper subset of 5 of B. But here we have equal number of elements, so it will be only subset. It cannot be a proper. This one is improper subset. We also say it improper subset. But if one element is more than set B, then B will be the proper subset of A. Learn students, एक मेंबर हमेशा अगर ज़्यादा होगा तो वो प्रॉपर सबसेट हो जाएगा, और अगर मेंबर्स इक्वल हैं तो लाजमी A B का और B A का प्रॉपर सबसेट है. प्रॉपर नहीं है, ये सबसेट है. लेकिन जिसका एक एलिमेंट ज़्यादा होगा दूसरा वाला उसका प्रॉपर सबसेट हो जाएगा. ये इम्प्रॉपर भी है और सबसेट भी है, प्रॉपर नहीं. ओके. नाउ स्टूडेंट, व्हाट विल बी द सुपरसेट? A superset is a set that contains all the element of a smaller set. Which one will be the subset? And the other set from which we take the element to make it subset, that will be the superset. For example, here you can see A is the proper subset of B and B is the superset of A. जो सबसेट होगा उसका जब अपोजिट करेंगे तो जो बड़ा सेट होगा वो सुपर सेट हो जाएगा. हमेशा ओपन साइड ऑफ द डायग्राम, जो ओपन साइड होगी डायग्राम की, वो हमेशा बड़े सेट की तरफ होगी. याद रखिएगा. अब आपके पास 3 साइंस आ गए. हेयर वन इज सुपर सेट एंड दिस वन विल बी proper subset and this one will be subset and this one will be proper subset. Okay, remember these 3 signs. Now next, power set. A power set contains all the possible subsets of an original set. If you have a set A 1 2 3, when you make all possible subsets, that will make it a power set. Here you can see power set will be denoted as P and the given set will be written in the स्मॉलर ब्रैकेट. एंड ऑल द पॉसिबल सबसेट, जितने मुमकिन आप सबसेट्स बना सकते हैं, जितने पॉसिबल हों वो सब बनाने हैं, कोई एक भी नहीं रहने देना, तो वो उसका पावर सेट बन जाएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फॉर 1 2 3 वी विल हैव फर्स्ट इज एम्प्टी, देन 1, देन 2, देन 3, देन 1 2, देन 1 3, देन 2 3 एंड देन 1 2 3. These are all possible subsets of 1 2 3. So this one is the power set of set A. Okay. Now students, for universal set I have told you one correspondent word. What is correspondence means? Now you will learn here. If each element in A can be paired with a single member, if A will be paired with the single member of B, then this one is said to be 1-to-1 correspondence. One member will be paired with one member will paired with one member will paired with one member. Here we have 3 members and we also have 3. We paired them, and this one is said to be 1-to-1 correspondence. Okay. Next one is cardinality of set. What is cardinality of set? The number of elements of a set is called its cardinal number. For example, here in A we have 3 members, so cardinality of A is 3. B is also 3. Here you can check, we have A set A, B, C, D. So cardinality of A is equal to 4. Okay. Hope you will learn. Now students, here we have some symbols. We will revise some symbols and learn some more symbols. First one is symbol is for is equal to. When two sets will be equal in their elements will be same and their numbers will also be same. This is to be equal, and here is its sign. Next one is not equal. If the elements will different or their numbers will different, they will not be equal. So you will write this sign here, is not equal to. And are equivalent sets if the elements or even elements are not same but their numbers will be same. If A have 3 members, then B will also have 3 members. Either they are 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, or bird's name or animal's name. Two sets have equal number of members, then they say to be equivalent set, and sign is here. This one is a member of. If A set is 2 and B have 2, 3, 4, then A is a member of set B. Okay. If the any given digit is not a member of, if for example we have 3 and in set we have 9, 10, 11, then it is not a member of, then you will write this sign, is not a member of. This one is sign for empty or null set, a set which have no member or element in it, that will say to be null set. Here we have learned about subset. This one is the symbol of is a subset of, and this one is the symbol of is a proper subset. And here we have 2 columns and line which we use in set builder notation. It means such that. Okay student, hope you will learn all about the sets which I have told today. Inshallah, we will meet next with our exercise 1E. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.